Hello everyone. Now we are going to talk about hepatic portal system, which is mentioned in our NCERT textbook. Now, what is this portal system? Portal is that particular center, okay, from where now the blood is supplied to the heart. It means it is acting as an intermediate over there. Intermediate between what? There is any organ, okay, vein of that particular organ will not give the blood directly to the heart. So क्या करेगी फिर वो? Divides into capillaries and in any other organ. ठीक है, किसी और organ में वो capillaries के through divide होकर वहां पर अपना blood supply कर रही है. So the blood is transported by that organ vein जिसके पास फर्स्ट ऑर्गन की वेन्स ने कैपिलरीज के थ्रू ब्लड सप्लाई किया था. सेकेंड ऑर्गन जो है उसकी वेन्स हार्ट तक ब्लड पहुंचाने वाली. ओके, दिस इज द ऑर्गन वन. फ्रॉम हेयर द वेन इज कमिंग. दीज वेन further divide into capillaries. Okay, now this is going to enter into organ number 2. From here the vein which is going, that will take the blood to the heart. It means from this organ the blood is not going directly. First it will go to an intermediate organ, then to the heart. So this type of system is portal system. So we are going to talk about hepatic portal system. So where we are going to talk about hepatic, it means that is associated with लिवर. ठीक है, हिपैटिक टर्म लिवर से एसोसिएट होती है. इट मीन्स कि यहाँ पर लिवर इन्वॉल्व है बीच में एज एन पोर्टल ऑर्गन. सो दैट पर्टिकुलर वेन विच इज गोइंग टू टेक द ब्लड टू दैट हार्ट, दे आर द पोर्टल वेन्स. ठीक है, जो इसमें सिस्टम में इन्वॉल्व वेन्स हैं वो पोर्टल वेन्स होंगी. सो लेट्स टेक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस. हेयर हमारा हार्ट हो जाएगा ये. And this fine. So हार्ट इज से हमारी क्या जाने वाली हैं? आर्टरीज गोइंग टू टेक द ब्लड टू डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट. ठीक है, हम लोग मेनली स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, यहाँ से पेनक्रियाज से, एंड देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स स्प्लीन, जोडिनम, फ्रॉम दैट एरिया the blood vessels will take the blood to liver. So this artery is bringing blood to the organ that is, I'm writing small intestine, or you can write digestive tract also. Okay, so in the small intestine we are knowing the digestion process is occurring, absorption is occurring. So here at the time of the digestion the blood is supplied high so that the nutrients can be taken into the blood. So now from the small intestine, that particular blood vessel which is going to take the nutrients along with it is that portal vein. Alright, so this portal vein will be going to our another organ. जैसा कि बोला था डायरेक्ट नहीं जा रही है हार्ट के पास. So it will go to the liver. ठीक है, this vein will bring the blood from the small intestine to the liver. Liver will going to screen the blood, उसको चेक करेगा, उसमें अगर कोई केमिकल्स है उनको डिटॉक्सिफाई करेगा, एक्स्ट्रा न्यूट्रिएंट्स है उनको अपने पास रख लेगा. एंड फ्रॉम लिवर द मेन hepatic portal vein, hepatic portal vein will collect the blood and bring to the heart now. So this type of system is going to form hepatic portal system. Okay, now one more is there which is not mentioned in the syllabus, but we can talk about that. That is the hypothalamus in our brain. From hypothalamus the vein which is coming, that is dividing into the capillaries, and those capillaries will connected to the pineal gland, hypophysis हम जिसको बोलते हैं. ठीक है, so now the blood from the hypothalamus is not coming to heart directly. It is coming through hypophysis, that is the pineal gland. So that type of portal system is hypophyseal portal system. Fine. So this is all about portal system. Thank you.